Well, no big surprise here. Just received a rather interesting little email from MRC TV. The title is rather interesting. Now, this was dated May the 31st, 2015. The title: RICO suit filed against Bill, Hillary, and Clinton Foundation. Trial set for January. The article starts off saying, in a move that was so quick it even surprised even the plaintiff Judge Donald Middlebrook of the U.S. District Court for the Southern District of Florida, scheduled a January 20th, 2016 trial date for the RICO lawsuit against Bill and Hillary Clinton and the Clinton Foundation. RICO stands for Racketeering, Influence, and Corrupt Organization, and was originally created to enable the Justice Department to convict organized crime figures. You know who should have been convicted? Al Sharpton. But he never was. Anyway, Larry Klayman, a former federal prosecutor, had just filed a lawsuit a few days earlier on behalf of the watchdog organization he founded, Freedom Watch. On Friday, Klayman told Newsmax TV host Steve Malzberg, quote, "The suit alleges Clinton, while Secretary of State, used her position to influence foreign donors supporting the Clinton Foundation. It also accuses Clinton's former Chief of Staff, Cheryl Mills, of lying about the existence of documents Klayman requested under the Freedom of Information Act. The crux of the suit revolves around Clinton's use of a private email account and server to conduct government business. Quote, my takeaway is we've seen only a fraction of those emails, end of quote, Klayman said. He added that he was very surprised by the speed with which Judge Middlebrook scheduled the trial, saying, my takeaway is we've seen only a fraction of these emails. Klayman said he intends to call both Hillary and Bill to testify in the suit and has already requested that the judge seize Hillary's private email server. The Washington Examiner reported that Klayman wanted the server inspected. Klayman also asked the judge to order a neutral forensic expert to take custody and control of the private email server and reconstruct and preserve the official U.S. government records relating to the conduct of U.S. foreign policy during defendant Secretary Clinton's term as Secretary of State. Judge Middlebrook has not yet ruled on Klayman's request that the court seize Hillary Clinton's server. I am pleased that the court has set this case for early July trial. Jury trial, I apologize. Klayman told the Examiner, this is a matter of extreme national importance, and before now, for decades, the Clintons have not had to answer to a jury for their alleged crimes. Now justice will be done. The January 20th trial date is dangerously close to the Iowa caucuses, February the 1st, and New Hampshire primary, February the 9th. But despite the judge setting a date, normal procedure for Clinton's legal team, or most any other defendant's attorney, will be to try and get the suit dismissed, and barring dismissal, find other ways to delay the trial. But one way or another, the Clintons will have to explain what happened with the emails and the Clinton's Foundation donors' relationship with the State Department. At least, that's what the House Minority Leader, Nancy Pelosi, says. There's also a little video that you can sort of gaze at. I read you what the entire article stated. I'll attach the link so you'll be able to watch the video as well. We'll see what happens. This is the leading Democratic presidential candidate. What's that tell you about the Democratic Party? You know what it tells me, don't you?